Hello, and welcome to this unboxing. As you can see, I have my Leatherface mask on, which is great for sound and breathing. I have a package here that I pre-ordered in October of 2023, and I had it come in today, and I'm very excited to open it. So let me take off this mask so you can hear what I'm even saying, and then we'll get going.
Good God. So, hopefully you can see me behind this massive box. Like I said, I got this package in the mail today, and I ordered this, pre-ordered this back in October of 2023. I'm not doing a great job of hiding the secret that this is Trick or Treat Studios' replica of Leatherface's chainsaw from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So I went ahead and moved Leatherface so we can get into this because I don't have much room. Let's get cracking. Now, I was kind of surprised this all came together. For some reason, I thought I'd have to assemble it at least in two parts, the blade and the body. But it seems like it all comes in one big piece. I've seen a picture of this on their website, but I haven't seen anybody unbox it yet because I've been kind of trying to keep the surprise alive. Open packaging. I'm gonna get the camera and bring it up here so you guys can see. And here we go. This is fucking badass. Might just have to do something like this. Yeah, that's fucking sick. So here we go. This is the replica chainsaw. Let's see if it says anything on here. We have Texas Chainsaw Massacre logo there. Deluxe chainsaw prop with sound and motion. Some safety warnings. Features. Working kill switch activation. Sound effects from a 1974 film. Moving chainsaw action. 4 AA batteries. Sculpted by Alex Ray. Developed by Justin Mabry and Sam First. And then here's the front. And here's another view. Okay, so I've got some batteries here, so I'm going to go ahead and actually take this out of the box and see how it sounds. I usually save my boxes for a little while. I try to save them as long as I can, but they do take up a considerable amount of space. Oh. Yeah. So we're gonna need a screwdriver. Doesn't fit. I mean, these batteries don't want to go in. There we go. And here we have it. It's gorgeous. This is incredible. I spent $70 on this. I think it might have been 80. And it's gorgeous. It's just such a great. There's so much great detail for $70. Even says choke on the choke. Gas can, or little gas tank. The grime on it. Man, I feel so powerful holding this. Let's see if we can turn it on. Whoa! That is so sick. Oh my god, I love this. Hell fucking yeah. Wow. I'm so glad this came in. I mean, eventually it would have, but man, I'm stoked. This is badass. And this makes me want some barbecue. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I'm very excited to have this in my collection. It's gonna go great with the rest of my Chainsaw Massacre stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for continuing to put up with my shenanigans and being supportive in everything that I do. Very much appreciate it. Now I've worked up an appetite, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. And I hope you all have a great rest of your week and a very safe weekend. Mm. 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 Eat up. Hungry. You hungry?